Hi, and welcome to Faces of Angie, content with you in mind. Today I am going to design toddler white canvas sneakers. All of the items used will be listed in the description box below. Let's get started by removing the shoelaces that came along with the sneakers. Next, I put paper and plastic bags in the shoe to keep the form. I went ahead and put E600 glue on the toe of the shoe and added the crystals along the path of the glue. I will repeat this step as I go. I am using my dotting jewelry tool to place the crystals on the glue. Between the toe of the shoe and the shoelace, I strategically place pearls and crystals across the shoe. On the back of the shoe, I create a line of pearls and crystals. From each end of the shoe along the rubber, I add pearls and crystals in this order to gauge the amount needed. Using my jewelry tool, I realign the crystals and pearls as needed. I repeat this process on the other side of the shoe. On the second row, I place pearls on top of crystals and crystals on top of pearls. I repeat this step until I reach the top of this shoe. I add crystals along the shoelace holes, filling empty spots. I repeat this process on the other side of the shoe. To create the shoelaces, I take the laces that came with the sneakers. Using this to measure the length of silk ribbon I am going to need, I am lacing the ribbons across the shoe. Voila! Here's the final results. I really enjoyed creating this design. Please give this video a thumbs up and share with all of your friends. Thank you to all of my subscribers for your support, and I welcome the new subscribers. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell as I plan to upload more exciting creations in the future. Thanks for watching Phases of Angie, and I'll see you in the next one.